Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today is my first lecture about Arcgis. Please watch start to end. This is the basic tutorial about for the beginner about Arcgis. This is a basic tutorial for beginner. Learn about Arcgis. It's okay. We will start how to open arcmap. Let's open up arcmap, one of the main components of Arcgis desktop. You can do this anyway you know how, but if you are less familiar with window, then the easiest way is to search for it. Click on the start window button and then start typing your search term, in this case arcmap. And also the third one, click on the arcmap title when it appears, and arcmap will be launched and showing the loading on screen first. Guys, this is the theoretical definitions about how to open arcmap. After that, I am the practical to show how to open arcmap. You search on the start button. Here you search arcmap. It's okay. You show here. You show arcmap 10.5, and then click on this. This is the arcmap opening. This is the basic tutorial. Inshallah, I will guide. This is the first look of arcmap. You show on the screen. The arcmap will be open. After that, create a new document. How to create new documents when you arcmap load for the first time? It gave you the option to create a new documents. So, okay. After that, feel free to explore this dialog for a moment, but then click the OK button to create a new map. We will go over this dialog is in more detail when you know more about look like that on the screen in presentations. It's okay. Go to practical, how to open first new documents. Here you new file is here, create a new and shortcut Control N and click on this. This is the new documents. You show on the screen. This is the new documents, and create. Already clicked create on and click on OK. This is the first layer about the new documents. It's okay. This is the first textures. This is the little bit definition about arcmap, how to create the new documents, how to open arcmap. After that, we will about that more videos about files, edit, bookmark, insert, selection. How many tools we here you use about in Arcgis. It's okay. After that, pen to taskbar for quick access. I like to be able to quickly access Arcgis when I need it and do not have to search for it every time. So I pin it to my taskbar. If you like, you can do the same. Click on the arcmap icon on the taskbar and select the pen. This is programmed to taskbar in the menu. that come up to note that it will be look like different on version of the window pair of to window 10. It's okay. Look like this that you show on the screen. This is the taskbar. This is the taskbar, and you pen the arcmap for the quick access. It's okay. For the practical, here this is my window. This is the taskbar, and right click on this, and this is the pen to taskbar. It's already here pen for quick access. It's okay. Today for enough for this tutorial, or wait for another tutorial. Inshallah, I will. It's okay. Thank you.